There are several interesting options for implementing both physical and logical access on NFC phones today. The first is for the purpose of emulating a smart card. So you can take your employee badge or your access card and leave it at home and simply carry your phone with you. The NFC modem goes into card emulation mode. The credentials that you provision onto your badge or your access card get provisioned into the phone in one of the secure elements, and then you can use it to unlock a door, to log into your computer, to sign and encrypt email, all with the benefits of the smart card, but without having to carry the second device. So there's a great deal of interest in using NFC phones, both for physical and logical access. We see many of our current deployments in the government with PIV cards, with government contractors for PIV-I cards, and with a lot of commercial enterprises issuing CIV cards, looking at the use of NFC phones for physical access. So when they rekey their buildings so they can use their PIV or PIV-I cards to enter the building, very interested in can they use their NFC phone to unlock the door so they don't have to take their card out. We also see the same organizations looking to use the phone when they enter the building as a way of logging into their desktop computers. One of the areas of greatest interest is with people who haven't deployed smart cards yet, who are concerned about the logistics of getting into a smart card deployment, but they want the benefits of the smart card. The security and the convenience are looking with great interest at NFC phones as a way of having the secure elements to protect the credentials and having the NFC interface to provide the contactless smart card experience. We think that what's really going to drive the adoption of NFC, both for the consumers and also for the point of sale merchants or the physical access teams responsible for security or the IT department responsible for logical access, is the fact that NFC is the interface on the phone that allows the user to demonstrate their intent to perform a transaction. When you use NFC to open a door, you take your phone and you present it to the reader, and when it gets close to the reader, then the user and the door know that the intent was, I would like this to unlock. When the NFC phone is held up against the contactless card reader in the palm rest of their laptop to log in, it's clear that the intent was to log in. And that's a unique feature. It's the one interface, because of the close proximity. When you hold your phone up to another phone with NFC interface to transfer data or to perform a secure authentication, you intended to interact with that other user. And that's unique. One of the benefits of using a mobile phone with NFC for physical and logical access is you can start to take advantage of the additional features that exist in a mobile phone. You can have the app in the phone doing the logical access connected to the GPS to register the physical coordinates, so the access control decision can be made not only on the basis of the credentials, but also on the basis of the location of the user at the time. You can perform an authentication and use the camera on the phone to take a picture of the person holding the phone at the time of the authentication occurs. So you're really looking at a very compelling, rich device that has an additional set of features above and beyond any traditional physical or logical access system, and they're not a complex, expensive system that requires buying a lot of cameras or GPS units and connecting them up in some complicated network. It's just right there in the phone that people are already carrying.